In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the tools that you can use inside Google Meet. So when you log in, you're going to see a big picture of your teacher here. I have my camera turned off because you would see me all over the screen. But this will be a picture of your teacher. She or he is going to be waving and talking to you. Now, right down here, if I move my mouse down, I can see my microphone is turned off and my camera is turned on. So I know that my teacher can see me. And if I'd like to turn that off, I can just click it off. And now my teacher doesn't see me anymore. Now, a cool tool that we have is push to talk. Instead of clicking this microphone, if I find the big black space bar, I can tap it and it turns it on and off, on and off. So find that space bar on your keyboard, and when it's your turn to talk, tap it so that your teacher can hear you. The other tool that I want to talk about is how you can react to your teacher. Over here in the corner, you're going to see thumbs up, well done, wow, and an LOL emoji. While your teacher and classmates are presenting and talking, you can react by clicking on these, and they're going to see your name and the reaction. My favorite one is this one. It tells the teacher and my classmates that I'm raising my hand so that my teacher can give me a turn to push my space bar and talk to the class. The last tool that I want to show you is the most important, and it's how to change the view. This little box up here will change how many people you can see. Right now, I can just see my teacher. If I click on that box, I can now see my teacher, I can see myself, and I can even see a screen that my teacher is showing me. And we're going to get to that in the next video. But again, I want to show you if I turn that off, I can only see my teacher screen. If I turn it on, I get to see everybody. So if it's a time when everybody is talking, have it so that you can see everybody. And when your teacher starts talking and maybe showing something on their screen, turn that off so you can see your teacher. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to get our screen ready for our teachers to share an activity with us.